In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a WordPress website from a backup using Hostinger, making sure you are back online with minimal hassle. Restoring your website might sound like a daunting task, but rest assured by following these steps, you'll have your site up and running in no time. Before we get started, ensure that you have your Hostinger account information handy, as we'll need it for the login process. Let's begin by navigating to Hostinger's official website. Once you're there, locate the login button, which is typically at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials. If you haven't logged into your Hostinger account for a while, you might need to reset your password, so be prepared for that possibility. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger homepage. Now let's head to the H panel, which is Hostinger's control panel, where we manage all the website settings and tools. In H panel, look for the Manage option. This allows you to handle the website you want to restore. Click on it and you'll see a dashboard offering various options related to your website's management. Next, we need to access the files related to your website. On the dashboard, look for a section titled Files. This is where you'll manage all file-related settings for your site. Click on it and you'll see multiple options including uploads, downloads, and other file management functionalities. In the Files section, find and click on Backups. Hostinger regularly provides backups of your website depending on your plan, so you should see a list of available backup versions. Pick the backup from a date when you know your website was functioning as expected. Once you've selected your backup, look for the Restore Website button. Clicking on this will prompt the restoration process. The restoration might take a few moments to complete depending on the size of your website and the backup. Remember, patience is key here. Once the process is done, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your website has been successfully restored. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully restored your WordPress website using Hostinger. Always ensure you have regular backups of your site to avoid data loss. Keeping your site up to date with a good backup strategy will save you from potential headaches down the road. If you encounter any issues during restoration, don't hesitate to contact Hostinger's customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful tutorials.